Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. And in this video I am going to show you how to set Google Chrome or any other web browser as your default web browser. So nowadays lots of people are like this Google Chrome because it is user friendly application. But same time, if you are using Windows 10 PC, the Microsoft Edge is set to default browser. But unfortunately, some kind of people don't like this browser. So if you are one of the person, just follow me friends. So let's get started. So first of all, press that Windows icon, or you can press Windows key in your keyboard. And in the search bar section, you can type settings and then click to open it. So here it shows lots of Windows settings, but you can go to system settings and the first one. So now in this section, in left side it shows some options, and also in top it shows one search bar. So now in the search bar section you can type default apps and then hit to enter. So in right side it shows some applications, and these applications are default used by me for particular purpose, but in this section I try to locate web browser. But here my default browser is Internet Explorer, but I don't like it. So by simply press that application and then select Google Chrome or any other browser. So finally my settings are saved successfully. So this is the way you can easily change your Windows 10 default browser by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.